World Cerebral Palsy Day reminds us that strength comes in all forms, and the human spirit is truly indomitable. As we celebrate the resilience of over 17 million people worldwide living with cerebral palsy, let us reflect on the incredible journeys they embark upon daily. Cerebral palsy may present challenges, but it doesn't define a person's potential. Look around, and you'll find stories of triumph, determination, and unwavering courage. These individuals teach us that adversity can be a catalyst for greatness. From every step taken with unyielding resolve to every smile that radiates joy, those with cerebral palsy inspire us to embrace life's challenges head-on. They exemplify the power of persistence, reminding us that no obstacle is insurmountable. On this day, let's stand in solidarity, advocating for equality, understanding, and opportunities for all. Let's wear the color green, symbolizing growth and hope, and share stories of strength to amplify the voices of those who inspire us. Together, we can create a world where every individual, regardless of ability, is celebrated for their unique journey and contributions. Today, we celebrate strength, and we pledge to build a more inclusive tomorrow.